La llegada de Ikea a México rompió con todos los planes y parámetros que tenían los líderes de esta empresa de muebles sueca. Desde el principio, con la inauguración de la tienda física aquí en la Ciudad de México, que se tuvo que retrasar por las medidas de confinamiento que impuso la pandemia en 2020, hasta la expectativa máxima que generó las ventas por internet de los muebles y artículos de Ikea, hasta la inauguración de la tienda física. Esta semana en Brújula Empresarial platicamos con Malcolm Prius, él es el CEO de Ikea, quien nos habló de cómo pudieron convertir todos estos desafíos que estableció el COVID-19 para la llegada de la primera tienda de muebles suecos aquí en México y los hicieron una oportunidad. Así que vamos a ver todo lo que nos dijo.
So I think that's been one of the biggest challenges for us, is trying to open an Ikea store when you have supply problems, when you're trying to give the customer the best experience possible and you're restricted with numbers, people have had to make an appointment. It's not the simplest or easiest way to shop, but we're very, very happy that people are loving the brand and coming to spend time with us today. It's been wonderful.
Pero ¿por qué México es un mercado tan atractivo para este gigante sueco? Bueno, Malcolm Prius nos explica que las familias mexicanas tienen una especial atención a pasar tiempo en sus hogares y con ello, obviamente, un enfoque muy importante en hacerlos sentir cómodos. Ahora que también muy importante ha resultado estos cambios que han impuesto las medidas de confinamiento y las familias han tenido que adaptar sus hogares para poder hacer home office o educación a distancia en estos espacios y sentirse bien.
Yeah, if you ask me, we're a little bit late coming to Mexico. I think there's such a good fit between IKEA, our culture and values, and the Mexican culture, the sense of family, the importance of the home, the pride in the home, and I just think there's room in the market for a brand like IKEA. We don't have so much, if you want to say, traditional type furniture. We work much more with totality of solutions for your home. You know, maybe you have a small home, but you have the whole family turns up on Sunday for dinner, right? So you've got to add maybe a little bit more water to the beans, but also we have solutions where you can add extra chairs to the table as well to make people comfortable. So I just think the way Mexicans like to shop, the way Mexicans are so proud of their home, the way they like to live, IKEA is just a natural fit. So we see it as a really important market in our expansion through Latin America over the coming years. Mexico City will need more than one store, of course. I can't tell you when that next store will be. It depends very much on us getting the right location to make us more accessible to the many people of Mexico City. We have Puebla that will open next year, so we're hoping that we open in Puebla in the first or second quarter of next year, and we're really excited about that. So that will be our kind of second physical location. And then, of course, we want to be in Guadalajara, we want to be in Monterrey, we want to be in lots of the smaller cities as well, but it's always a question of being able to be in the best location to make us accessible to as many people as possible. So I can't tell you exactly when and where in Guadalajara and Monterrey today. All I can say is that we're working very, very hard to bring physical stores to all of these other parts of México.
Para las empresas de retail, el 2020 no fue un año sencillo, sobre todo por los problemas y barreras que hubo en las cadenas de suministro global. Sin embargo, para IKEA ha sido todo un desafío generar cambios en el negocio e incluso verlo de forma positiva. Por ejemplo, ampliar las ventas online, pero también ponerle más énfasis a los cambios que debe de haber en los espacios físicos. Después de todo, Malcolm nos dice, estos espacios siguen siendo importantes para los clientes.
We're of course a bit challenged with supply. Yeah, so you know, we don't really have as much as we would like to have for the customer. We're working on that every day, but we suffer like a lot of other retailers and businesses suffer with the supply situation. It's not. I don't think that Ikea is special in that sense. There are lots of containers on the water. There's either not enough containers, too many containers, not enough room at the ports to unload containers. So, and we understand that some of our customers are a little bit frustrated with us. We're very frustrated as well, but it will take some time as we come out of COVID for that to settle. So I suppose we'll have some challenges for the rest of this year, but it's getting better.
Este es el plan de Ikea para entrar hasta la cocina de tu casa, ya sea a través de las tiendas físicas o a través de las tiendas online. Yo soy María Fernanda Navarro y esto es Brújula Empresarial, la ruta de los negocios.